Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video you're going to hear about an incredible way that you can make some passive income without the need to know how to do trading, because you will be able to do that with a robot that will do that for you whenever you choose, including when you sleep. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure to watch till the end. Please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so first of all, what is Pionex? So actually Pionex is an auto trade cryptocurrency with 16 free inbuilt trading bots, and in today's video you're going to hear about the incredible arbitrage bot that you can earn between 15 to 50% APR with extremely low risk. Now, what is exactly the arbitrage bot? So Pionex Arbitrage bot is one very stable profit-making strategy which can make 5 to 50% APR, as I said. And if you want to have stable income every day with extremely low risk, you can let the bot run with your money or cancel it to get the money back anytime you want without staking for months or years. Now, what is the spot futures arbitrage strategy actually? So to sum up, hold a short position in the perpetual futures market while holding the same amount of position in the spot market, and arbitrage with the market neutral position and receive the funding rate every 8 hours. And the idea is that you just get passively, and you, without doing anything, just when the bot is lurking, you will get every 8 hours a funding rate. And the interest rate is actually fixed at 0.01% per 8 hours, and the premium varies according to the price difference between the perpetual contract and market price. So it means that it compares with different markets and helping you to profit from the arbitrage between them. So according to the historical data of the ETH funding rate on Binance, the rate always been positive in the last 6 months, and it's higher when the price surge in the following chart, as you can see. And if you can receive 0.2% funding rate per day, so the performance for this arbitrage would be 36.5% APR, which is incredible. With this historical data is steady and almost risk-free to arbitrage from the funding rate. Now let's discuss how you can execute the arbitrage by yourselves. Let's say that you have 10,000 USDT for the spot futures arbitrage while Bitcoin price is 10,000 USDT. Here's how we're going to do. So you transfer 5,000 USDT to the futures account and the rest 55,000 USDT to the trading account, and you buy 0.5 BTC, which is 5,000 USDT, and in the spot market, and short 0.5 BTC in the perpetual futures market with your 5,000 USDT. And in the current funding rate is 0.05%, right before the charges, and then you will get 2.5 USDT, which is actually 0.5 times 10,000 times 0.05% is 2.5 USDT. If the funding rate remains at 0.05%, we can receive 3 times a day, which means that you can actually get 27.375% APR. And as you can see that you have the explanation right here. Now, to increase the annualized return, you can actually take advantage of leverage. So you can do that 2 times or sometimes even more. Now, the performance increases to 36.46% APR with 2x leverage. Now, what is the main idea in the arbitrage is actually the price gap between the futures and the spot price. So the price is not always a fixed number between futures and spot prices. It will result in some profit if the gap is lower when you're about to spot the bot, and actually suffer from some losses if the gap is higher. But it's not that much, because which you can cover that loss within 2 to 3 funding rate income. So if you take care of the price gap, you might earn some profit from the price gap. Now, don't start arbitrage if the price gap is negative. Finish your arbitrage strategy and close your position when the gap is lower and negative. And normally the gap is floating between -1% and 1% most of the time. Now, spot futures arbitrage is a simple strategy. The traders could do it manually, but it's better to use a tool for opening positions and closing position due to the volatility. And also, by the way, when you're using an arbitrage bot, you're not connected to your emotions, so your actions is only based on logic and math. So it doesn't matter if you had a good day or a bad day, your bot will do the best for you. Now, there are some risks to perform futures arbitrage manually that you should need to know in advance. Now, you're not able to decrease your position position in the spot market while the auto deleverage happened to your future position. And the price surged rapidly and you got liquidated on your short position because you're not able to close your future position in advance. Now, the above two examples show us how would the market neutral position got broken under particular market conditions. Now, to eliminate the above risks, Pionex actually provides a bot for spot futures arbitrage. Here's how would the bot deal with the potential risks. Now, the bot will detect both of your positions in the spot futures market and maintain a market neutral position even the auto deleverage, which is the ADO, happened. Now, the bot will close future positions 5% before the liquidation price so that you won't be liquidated and pay for the liquidation fee. So you will be able to sleep tight at night and the bot will work for you. Now, the process, as you will see in here, is very, very simple. You select the future arbitrage bot. The second step is that you actually select the target coin that you want to leverage for the arbitrage. You click on the drop down button next to the coin to lead you to the list sorted by the current funding rate. And then you choose the funding rate. And the third step is to fill in the investment amount and click create bot. And it will automatically transfer some of your funds to your futures account and create a position in the spot and futures market. Now, if you want to close the bot, just click the shutdown button that you actually can see in here. And I will show you in the trading screen. And it will close the position and return all your investment in USDT. Now, in order to charge it, all you need, like every other market, is only to copy your wallet address and actually do the transfer. Now, let's see how you do that. So you click in here on trade and then you click on trading bot. Now, as you can see that I logged in. Now, by the way, let's show you how my trading bots is currently working. So when I click on my trading, so you can see in here the bot. Now, in order to make this bot working, and as you can see that we have details in here, and you will be able to see actually that the total profit right now that is actually changing, but when you will withdraw, so you will be able to use it. And as you can see that we have the fees in here, and you have the 7 days APR, which is 6.9%, and we have the history, which is actually 6.9%. The today's APR is 7.33%. And the next funding fee will be 0.0069%. Now, as you can see in here, that is currently working, and you have the details on actually every movement that is doing and what is the profit right now, what is the ROI and the APR. Now, if I would like to close it, all I need is to click on close and then it will stop the bot. Now, let's go back to the trade and I will show you in a minute how you actually make it happen. Now, you click on manual if you want to do something yourself. If you want to do it with the trading bot, as we talked with the arbitrage, you click on the trading bot and then you choose the spot futures arbitrage bot. So you click on create, okay, and then in here you can choose of course the coin that you want to use. Then you choose the percent of the total amount, and of course that you need to transfer to your balance in here in order that you will be able to actually use it. Now, in order to deposit, all you need is to click on deposit, click on copy, okay, and then you go to your Binance or you go to any other marketplace that you hold or your own wallet, and then you transfer in here by actually doing the transactions. Now, if you want to withdraw, again, the process is pretty simple. You actually put the address that you want to withdraw towards, and then you will be able to do that whenever you want. And you can do that. You can choose the blockchain that you want to use. Now, as I said, you click on the futures arbitrage, then you can choose the coin. Let's choose ADA just for this example. Okay, it doesn't relate it to anything. Okay, and then you can also use the advanced settings. Okay, I already done it, so I won't do another bot right now, but you can choose the different leverages. As you can see that the 2x is recommended, and usually for beginners it's not recommended to use more than 2x leverage max. And after you do that, you will actually click on create, and then your bot will start to create. Okay, now the process is not complicated at all. So let's just open Binance, for example, and I will show you how you do that. So in order to get started, all you need is to click on wallet, and then you will click on overview. Now, let's say that you're now in your wallet. So all you need is to click on withdraw, click on withdraw crypto. So let's say that you want to transfer BUSD. You enter the address that you want to withdraw towards. Okay, so for example, your the address that you want to withdraw, if you want to transfer to Pionex, is actually to copy here. Okay, and then you paste the address, make sure that the address is exactly as it's written in Pionex. After you put the address, you choose the network that you want to actually make the transaction, and then all of a sudden, after you confirm it, so the transaction will be completed, and then you will see it in here, and then you will see that in your balance. You transfer with USDT, and then when you actually transfer to Pionex, then you will be able to trade, and of course to sign in or to sign up if you didn't sign up yet, and then to sign in, and then you will be able to use this amazing trading bot. And as I showed you, the process is very simple. Click on create, choose the coin that you want, and then choose the percentage, choose the leverage. Yeah, you choose which price gap you want, and then you click on create, and everything will work, as you can see exactly like in here in the details. And as you can see in here, that every 8 hours there is an earning from the bot. As you can see in 6 p.m, you can see in 10 a.m, you can see in 2 a.m, and etc, etc. So for summary, if you want to take part of this incredible project and actually use this bot to have passive income without you need to do that, and actually sleep tight at night and know that this bot makes you money, make sure to go to pionex.com by clicking the link down below and get started. So make sure to go to their website and to read and to understand how you can take advantage of this incredible bot. So thanks again for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.